Hello, good morning, students. A very warm welcome to all of you, and a very good morning to all the students. How are you, children? Fine? I hope everyone is fine. Good. Now, you know that here we are present again with the new video of with the new video. We have already done in the previous classes the three chapters. What was the third chapter? What was all the three chapters? First chapter was about my family. The second chapter was about my neighborhood, and the third chapter was about, tell me, plants around us. Okay, these three chapters we have already completed. So in this video, I am going to start a new chapter. Okay, and what is the new chapter? This is the fourth chapter. What is the name of the fourth chapter, children? Do you know? Okay, I'll tell you. The fourth chapter name is Food We Eat. Clear? Food we eat. And this is the first video of chapter number 4, Food We Eat. Okay, before starting the chapter, I would like to ask you some questions. Are you ready with that? Okay. Now tell me, children, what do you feel? What do you like to do when you feel hungry? What do you like to do when you feel hungry? Tell me. Yes, very good, children. You like to eat when you feel hungry, right? Okay. So, one more question to you all, okay? My second question is, why we need food? Why we need food? When you feel hungry, you like to eat food, yes? So why we need food to eat? Why? Tell me now. Think. Why we need food to eat? Yes, very good. You all are very intelligent students. We need food to live and grow. Okay? We also need food to become healthy and strong. Okay? And again, we need food to play and work. Okay? We need food to stay strong, to be healthy and strong, to grow. Clear? So these are the points why we need food. I am repeating once again. We need food to live and grow, to work, to become healthy and strong, to play and to get energy. Okay, children, now tell me, if we will not eat food, what will happen to us? What will happen to us if we will not eat food? Yes, we will not get energy. Right? We will not get energy. We will not be strong. We will not become healthy. Okay, so to become healthy, we need to eat food. Okay, if we will not eat food, we will become dull, we will become weak, we will become very lazy. We don't want to do any type of work. Any work we will not be like to do. We'll feel very lazy. We don't want to do any work. You will not able to do the homework also. So to do the homework, to stay fit, to become healthy, you have to eat food. Clear? Okay, children. Now one more thing. Now tell me, what is a food? Tell me, what is a food? Do you know what is a food? Tell me. Yes, very good. Food is what we eat and drink. Clear? Food is what we eat and drink. Okay. Food also gives us energy to work and play. Okay? Food also gives us energy to work and play. Food makes us healthy and strong. Clear? Food makes us healthy and strong. So now you have understood about what is a food. Okay? Why we need food. Till now we have learned what is a food, why we need food. Okay, now the third point what we will read is the importance of food in our life. Okay, we will read about the importance of food in our life. So can you all tell me, children, that what is the importance of food in our life? Can you tell me? Think and say the answer. Why food is necessary or why food is important in our life? Tell me. Yes, very good. You are correct. Now you say why food is important in our life? Yes, you are also correct. Very good. Now children, let me tell you the main thing. Okay? See, we need food to live and grow, because without food we cannot live. Without food we cannot live. So food is very important in our life. Food is very important in our life. So because food also gives us energy for an activity, okay, for growth and development, okay, for all the functions of a body, okay. So when we eat food we get energy. For example, I will tell you, if I will tell you that please you come and go and run for me from this place to that place, and if you will not eat food, how you will get the energy and how you will run for me? So to remain healthy and strong you have to eat food, okay. For one more example I'm going to say, there are two boys. One name is Ravi and the another name is Mohan. Okay. Ravi is a healthy boy. Why he is a healthy boy? Because he eats all the food items what his mother cooks for him. And he is very strong, he is very healthy, he can do any work at any time because he always eats food and he is very strong. And on the other hand, Mohan, he is not healthy, he is dull, he is weak, okay. So he is dull and he is weak, he don't eat food properly, okay. Little bit he eat and rest of the food he leave it. So from inside he is not fit, he is not got energy, he is not healthy. In the other words, he is not strong. So the body of Mohan will be very weak, very dull, very lazy. When I will tell him to do any work, he will not be able to complete his work. So for our life, food is very important for us children, very important for us. You should always eat food with vitamins, because food also provides us vitamins, minerals, proteins and all types of nutrients.